Clean water, beautiful beaches, ancient wonders, the vibrant culture and relaxed pace, precious sights. Life is wonderful on the shores of Sri Lanka. The tea plantations in the hills or homes near the sea. This is called Sri Lankan life. Welcome to Colombo, Sri Lanka, a vibrant city where traditions meet modernity. Today we take you behind the scenes of an extraordinary project by MadOverFish, a one-of-one aquarium in Sri Lanka. Our journey begins with an ambitious vision and a massive undertaking: installing the largest residential aquarium ever set up in Sri Lanka. This colossal U-shaped acrylic tank was meticulously crafted and shipped from our manufacturing facility in India. Weighing in at a staggering 9 tons with its metal packaging, this behemoth measures an impressive 4 meters in length, height, and 3 meters in width, with an astounding thickness of 150 millimeters. It holds a breathtaking 48,000 liters of water, designed to be a centerpiece of aquatic splendor. Given its size and weight, this installation demanded extraordinary measures. 2 of Sri Lanka's largest cranes were brought into action, one capable of lifting 150 tons to a height of 150 feet. The first crane handled the unloading, while the second was carefully positioned to lower the tank into its designated spot. The installation process was nothing short of meticulous. MadOverFish's team spent weeks strategizing and coordinating with the client, ensuring every detail was perfect. This included obtaining the local authorities' permission, working with architects, and arranging a temporary power outage as the electricity board removed wires to facilitate the crane's operation. The tank needed to fit within a 25-millimeter allowance, a challenge that demanded flawless precision to avoid any risk of damage to the acrylic. With the expertise and dedication of our team, along with the invaluable support from our client, the tank was successfully installed within just 24 hours of reaching the site. And there it stands, a monumental testament to our craftsmanship and commitment. As the largest single-body aquarium ever installed in a public or residential space in Sri Lanka, it will undoubtedly be a centerpiece for years to come, offering a window into the wonders of the aquatic world.